Okay, so first, a quadratic looks like ax squared plus bx plus c, where a, b, and c are just numbers. An example would be x squared plus 3x minus 4. So using this example, let's factor it. First, we must find the factors of c, which in this problem is negative 4. These factors would be 1 and negative 4, negative 1 and 4, and 2 and negative 2. Second, which factors add up to b? In this problem, b is 3. So, 4 plus negative 1 equals 3. These are the factors. Then place it in parentheses. This would be x plus 4 times x minus 1. Then check it. The way I check it is by seeing if it gives us the original problem. We get x squared plus 3x minus 4, which is the original problem. Moving on. Using this same problem, let's solve for x. So first, we must factor it, which we have already done, which is x plus 4 times x minus 1. Then set each parentheses to 0. So you would get x plus 4 equals 0 and x minus 1 equals 0. And then solve each equation. So x plus 4 equals 0. You subtract 4 from both sides, leaving you with x equals negative 4. Then x minus 1 equals 0. Add 1 to both sides, so you get that x equals 1. So x equals negative 4 and 1. Let's move on to a harder problem. Factor x squared minus 49. This is the difference of two squares. So like the last problem, we first find the factors of c, which in this problem is negative 49. The factors are 1 and negative 49, negative 1 and 49, and 7 and negative 7. Second, you set it up like x plus a number and x minus a number, because a positive times a negative is how you get this negative. However, this number and this number have to be the same, so it would be x plus 7 and x minus 7, and then check it. So I FOILed to see if it got the original problem, which it did. Now using this same problem, x squared minus 49, let's solve for x. So first, factor it, which we've already done, x plus 7, x minus 7, then set each parentheses to 0, x plus 7 equals 0, and x minus 7 equals 0, and then just solve. So you would get x plus 7 equals 0, and subtract 7 from both sides, leaving you with x equals negative 7. Then x minus 7 equals 0. Add 7 to both sides, leaving you with x equals 7. And this is how we solve quadratic equations by factoring.